Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to comment GIFs on Instagram. So let's get started. Firstly, all you have to do is go to the App Store in your iPhone home screen. So I'm using iOS device at the moment. So type down the Instagram on the search address bar and tap on the Instagram. And if there is an update icon available right next to Instagram, then update the Instagram app. So after the update, open the Instagram, and now in Instagram find the post you want to comment. Now tap on the comment and you will get to see the sticker icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on the sticker icon. After you tap on sticker icon, you will get to see the GIF in the bottom right corner again. Tap on it. Now you can post any GIF you want. You can search for the GIF using the search bar on the GIF library. After that, you choose one and simply tap on it and it will be commented. So that is it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.